Hello, let's understand how to write quadratic equation from a given graph. Well, here are a few examples. Now, we have a parabola, which is inverted parabola. So, parabola equation, is a quadratic equation, degree 2 polynomial, correct? Now, we could write this equation in vertex form, or we could write this in factored form. So, in the first example, I will show you how to write the equation of this parabola in vertex form. So first thing, in vertex form, let's go and find out what is the vertex. So vertex is at point -3 and 8, correct? So we have -3 and 8 for vertex. Once we know vertex, we need to know some other point also to find the a value. We can use this value, and this value seems to be at 1, right? X-intercept. So let's use this and find the equation of our parabola. In vertex form, we can write this as y equals to a times x minus. So what is the x value here? -3, right? So it was plus 3. X minus 3 plus 8, correct? So that gives us vertex at 3, 8, right? Yes. To find a, we need another point. The point which I have selected is the x-intercept. So the x value is 1 and the y is 0. Once I plug in 1 for x and y for 0, we can find the value of a. Okay, so this is a quadratic equation. Therefore, vertex form equation is a x minus 3 whole square plus 8. Now we'll find what the value of a is. So at this point, y is 0. So let me write 0, a. X value is 1. 1 minus 3 whole square plus 8. Let's solve. We can bring 8 this time. See, minus 8 equals to a times 1 minus 3 is minus 2 square, which gives us 4a, right? And now from here, a can be calculated as minus 8 divided by 4, which is equals to minus 2. So therefore, we have equation of this curve as a equals to minus 2 x minus 3 whole square plus 8. That seems to be correct. Minus indicates that the parabola is opening downwards, right? And 2 indicates that we have step of 2 times 1357, correct? So if we go to 1 unit left, we are coming 2 units down. It makes sense, correct? So it seems to be just the right equation. Okay, now let's get into writing equation for the second parabola. Okay, now here I will try to demonstrate you how to use intercept form. Intercepts are very clearly shown here, right? And we have to look for another point. The point to find a could be this, right? Now, what are the intercepts for us? They are at minus 2 and at 4, correct? And this point is the y-intercept at minus 4. Okay, so we'll use these points. So we can write this equation in intercept form as a into a times x minus this intercept, which is minus 2. So it becomes x plus 2 times, this is at 4, so it becomes x minus 4, right? Now to find the value of a, we'll put the y-intercept value, which is x0, y minus 4. So y minus 4, a times x is 0. We get 0 minus 4, and now we can calculate this as 2 times minus 4 is 8, right? So a times minus 8, and from here we can find the value of a as minus 4 divided by minus 8, and we get a equals to half, correct? Now it's positive, parabola is going up, it makes sense. So that's kind of a check. So we can write now the equation of our parabola as a equals to half, y equals to half, x plus 2 times x minus 4. Perfect. So you can see if you go one step here, it just moves half unit up. So it's approximately perfectly fine. Now the third one, it is your choice. You can do it either way. You can use the vertex, but vertex is not well defined. So we should not use vertex. What we should use here is the x-intercepts, correct? Now I'll leave this problem to you. You use these x-intercepts and some other point, which is a good point on this graph, to find the value. Okay, one good point could be this, which is at 4 we have minus 4. So you could use this point to find the value of a, okay, and these 2 points for finding the x-intercepts. So your equation should be y equals to a times x plus 4 times x minus 3. Now to find the value of a, you can put x as 4 and y as minus 4 and calculate it, and you should get the right answer. It will be good for you to practice, right? Go through it once again and see how from a parabola, the graph given, we found the equation for our graph. This is a very important exercise and you should be master at this so that you can get very good marks. Okay, I hope you understand it. Fine. Thank you.